FreeWalk robotic exoskeleton technology is to assist people with mobility impairment, which offer them rehabilitation benefit, improve mobility and social participation. This FreeWalk robotic is designed for these two types of patients, which are stroke-related impairment and patients with spinal cord injury. This FreeWalk robotic can regain patient ability to walk, which it can provide proper support when walking. Then this FreeWalk robotic also can improve gait pattern, which it can mimic the most natural human gait pattern when walking. The third one is this FreeWalk robotic is to retrain muscle and motor skill, which it can assist in the process on relearning and retraining how to control the muscle and coordination when walking. And the last one is this FreeWalk robotic also can encourage muscle activation, which it can perform weight-bearing activities such as squatting and sit to stand to strengthen the muscle and improve patient performance. So, let's come and try this FreeWalk robotic in KPJ Ipoh right now.